What's going on everyone, hope you have a great day. So here I am back on another video. I am Surojit and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to try on another dual coin mining is about the Radiant and the Hypra. And for the Hypra I am using the Metamask Wallet. So if you are not get a Metamask Wallet as a Hypra, so you can check it out this video that how to mine Hypra as a single coin. So on this video I make a wallet as on Hypra in Metamask. So again check it out this video. I hope this will be helpful for you. And if you are interested to dual coin mining as a Hypra and the Cursen and also the Hypra and the Alephium, so both video is available on there, so you can check it out also from there. So now today's video is talk about is the Radiant and the Hypra. So for the Hypra I am using the Metamask wallet, and for the Radiant I am using the Radiant Electron wallet. So I just call it out on the down section, and here we can see that the Electro Radiant wallet is available, and the other wallet you can also choose as a chainbow.io. So if I click on the Radiant Electron wallet, so you can get it out on the GitHub section, that on the scroll down just, and here we can see that the lots of version is available for the Mac and also for the Windows. So choose any of this, which one you like and which one you apply. So just click on in there and download it from there, and just extract this file on your PC and just create your wallet as the easiest way, just like the Nexa and some other wallet what I create as like in before. So on the hashrate.no right now the Hypra and the Radiant is about, it's giving you before the electricity is 0.43 cents. However, this is the revenue is going too low and the profit it's about 0.13, because right now the price is going down as a Hypra and also the Radiant. So for the Hypra right now the price on the CoinGecko it's about 0.114, it's about 8.7% down, and here we can see that the chart is continuously going down. And for the Radiant, if you are choose, here you can see that it's about 9.3% down on 24 hours chart, and it's about the price 0.001 cent. But why I am choosing right now, because on this time you get the better revenue, and if I hold this revenue and sell it out in later for the future purpose, then I'll be get the maximum profitable than the when it's going to the profitable or the trending section as a dual coin mining. So if I click on the Hypra and Radiant as a dual coin mining, so here you can see that this is the memory clock and some overall details is available on there, that the hashrate.no is recommended to choose the Rigel Miner to get the better hash rate and the improvement as a dual mining, or you can generate as a revenue is the 0.43, and after the electricity it's our 0.13. The revenue you can generate as a Hypra is 2.14, and hash rate you can generate as a 42.82 megahash per second on 3060 card, and the efficiency it's our 0.35 megahash per watt. And for the revenue as a dual coin mining is the Radiant, you can generate 97.883 Radiant, and hash rate you can generate as dual coin mining is about 428 megahash per second, and the efficiency on the dual coin mining is about 3.45 megahash per watt, and the power devoted is about 124 watt. And this is the overclock setting is about the locked core clocks is 1605 and the memory clock 1000, and the power limit is 150. And if you are choosing the Windows version, then you can choose the 1000 as a memory clock offset. So for the trading purpose I am choosing Zegex exchange wallet for the Hypra, and here you can see the price is right now 0.1134 as a USDT, and for the trade work I am using the Radiant and the price is right now 0.0001 cent. So this is going too low, but I'm going to try as a futuristic purpose, so that's why I'm going to choose as a dual coin mining and mining on 2 days and just store it on my wallet. Let's see that what is the price is going up in the future. So Hypra is a proof of work tokens with NFT and the smart contract. So if you are choose Hypra, it's a lower block fees, it's about 7 seconds take a time, and this is a decentralized coin and also available for the ASICs. This is run on the ETH v3 algorithm. And for the Radiant it's going on, it's the information that is shared the GitHub white paper and some hash rate difficulty and the faucet mainnet, and some mining is the node compilation. However, you can also get a node section on as a Hypra, and for the Radiant is the miner is available as a Radiator for the Mac and the Windows, and the RAD BFG miner, SRB miner, Wilding miner, BZ miner, and the Rigel miner. But I don't know why they not share about the LOL miner, because LOL miner also support the Radiant as a dual coin mining. So this is the overall update for the Radiant and also the Hypra. So you can check it out and read all the related documents. So here we can see this is the note for the Hypra. So this is the overall things and the overall update as a Hypra and the Radiant. So now we are going to make a flight sheet and also the wallet in HiveOS. So we need a flight sheet, and for this we need a stratum ID, and for the Hypra there you can see that the 17 server pool address is available, and in the mining pools that I am using the custom server address for the Hypra because right now still Hypra is not available on the HiveOS, but you can generate as a Ethereum, but this is not going to be a good because Ethereum has a token. So if you are choosing as a the short form is the HYP, maybe this is going to as a token or maybe not. I am not sure about that, but I already make a video on the 3 video is about the single coin mining and also the dual coin mining. I prefer to choose as a Hypra and also choosing the Hypra Metamask Wallet from create in there. So if you are not download the extension as a Metamask Wallet, so just download the extension from your browser and just tap on the add network button and just get a pop-up from there and approve this one, and this will be best as a Hypra wallet as a Metamask. But you can choose as a Ethereum Metamask Wallet. This is going to be the same process. So for the Hypra I am using the Viper.net, and if I click on the Viper.net, here you can see that the Hypra is right now available for the solo and the PPLNS version. The fee is about 0.8%, and if I click on the start mining option, this is just opening up and I select on the Hypra as a solo, go to wizard section, and here you can see this is the setup as a Ethereum wallet, but I prefer and also recommend to choose as a Hypra network. Just add your network from there. So on the Viper.net, just select your region, and I prefer to choose as a USA Northeast and also the Germany and the Finland server. I don't recommend the other one because I faces a lots of issue on the Asia server and also the USA West, and some is the it's about China server. So prefer is the best for the Finland and the Germany and the Northeast USA server, and I'm just copy it from the Finland server in from there, and this is done. And for the Radiant I'm choosing, here is also available, it's about 40 server pool addresses available, but you can also choose the Viper.net, Ulipuli, but I prefer to choose as a Rplan server pool because I continuously mine Radiant as a Rplan server pool. When I choose the Radiant mining, I prefer to choose as a Rplan server pool because this is going to be the best, and also the smoothie process is going on and there is no crashing issue and not any other. So that's why I'm choosing the Rplan server pool, and if I click on that, this is the setting, it's about the network Radiant, and just tap on the connect button. And if you are choose as a custom miner, then here you can see that the Wildic SRB miner, BFG, BZ miner and the G miner is also available. So choose any of this and choose Linux and the Windows version, choose your stratum server, uncheck the SSL version, check on the solo version, and this is your batch file for the Windows. And if you are choosing as on the HiveOS, then need to just this stratum ID from there, but I don't need this stratum ID because I choose the Rplan server pool as an auto server pool. But for the Hypra I am choosing the custom server pool, so that's why I choose the Viper.net and the Finland server. So now go to the HiveOS section, and here we can see I just create a flight sheet. It's about the Rigel Miner as the dual coin mining is the Hypra and the Radiant, and this is for the Radiant and this is for the Hypra. Now go to the wallet section. On the wallet section is just I'm using the Metamask wallet, so you can see that this is my Metamask wallet Hypra, and this is the wallet and the same name. So what I said that if you choose the Ethereum wallet, and here we can see that the both option is available as a Hype and the Hypra, which is the short form as a Hypra is HYP. But in there if you choose as a Hype, then maybe you can get a Hypra NFT token or the Ethereum NFT token. But if you choose the Hypra, this is going to be the best as a Hypra, which is the price is right now it's about 0.1142. So choose your coin and paste your address, set the name and create your flight sheet. So I just cancel because I already create it on there. And for the Radiant I am choosing the Electron or the Radiant Electron wallet, just the same is a choose coin, paste your address, set the name and create or update your wallet. And now move on to the flight sheet, and here we can see that I create dual flight sheet on there. This is for the Rigel Miner that the hashrate.no is recommended. It's about the same overclock setting I applied on there, and on this here I set a LOL miner flight sheet for the Hypra and the Radiant as a dual coin mining. There is also I set the same settings in there just like the Hypra using the custom miner, and for the Radiant I am choosing the Arplan server pool as a auto server pool. And in here if I click on the edit section, you can see first coin is the Hypra. This is for the Metamask Wallet, Hypra, Metamask Wallet, and for the pool I choose the configure in miner. So I prefer to choose as a Hypra, the full form, not the hype. So choose the Hypra and wallet configure in miner, and choose the Rigel Miner because this is for the hashrate.no is recommended from there. And on the setup config file, if you are not get the dual coin option, choose on the setup config file and choose the first coin is the ETH-V3 algorithm for the Hypra, and in here choose the wall. And for the password section you can choose as a worker name or you can choose as a blank, and for the worker name you can choose the worker name in there. And for the pool I am choosing the viper.net Finland server, so I just copy on that and paste it in there. On the extra config argument I choose the overclock setting that the hashrate.no is recommended, is just copy on that and paste it from there. So just delete the space and apply on changes, and you can get a dual coin option. So on the dual coin option, set RXD as a dual coin mining, choose your wallet, any of this you can choose in here. And for the pool I'm choosing the Arplan server pool as a ACA server pool in here, but you can choose as a Euro server. This is going to be the also best, and apply on changes and set the name in here Hypra and Radiant test. And on the setup config file, choose the second coin option, select the SHA-512-256-DIT algorithm, and for the in here choose wall, choose the blank password or you can choose as a worker name. The worker name is the same. I am choosing the auto server pool, so that's why I select the URL section. And for the overclock I set the same overclock setting in here, apply on changes and create your flight sheet. So this is the overall thing as a Hypra in the Rigel Miner. And if you are choose as a LOL miner, you can create this overclock setting and also the flight sheet in here. So the same is the Hypra coin wallet configured in miner as a pool, choose LOL miner. The second coin is the RXD, dual coin is the wallet, and for the pool I am choosing again the Arplan server pool, choose the name. And on the setup config file, for the first coin I choose the ETH-V3 algorithm for the Hypra wall.worker name from there. So first one choose the wall, then paste the dot, then choose the worker name from there, and on there I paste again the worker name, but you can choose as a blank, but I prefer to choose to paste my worker name. And for the pool again I copy this Finland server and paste it from there. Just a minute, copy and paste it from there and just delete the port section, paste the port in here, password choose as a X or you can choose as a blank, but I prefer to choose as a X. And for the overclock setting I applied this curl set and the Hypra dual coin mining overclock setting, so that's why I am choosing the core clock or the locked core clock is about 1500 and the memory clock is about 2000 and the power limit is 170, but you can choose as 150. And on the second coin option you can choose as a Radiant is the RXD dual. On the wallet is the same wall.worker name from there, and on there choose as a worker name in here. So I just copy and paste it from there. So I choose the auto server pool, so that's why I choose the URL host and the URL port from there. Password choose as a X or you can choose as a worker name, and this is my extra config argument or the overclock setting in here. So apply on changes and create your flight sheet or the update your flight sheet. So this is overall done. Now this is the main important thing is that if you are choosing the Rigel Miner and if you set this overclock setting, you get better hash rate on the Radiant, but if you choose the LOL Miner and also this overclock setting, might be you get the low hash rate. It's about 50 hash rate is down. So in here you see that it's about 428, but on the LOL Miner you can see it's about 379 to 380. So you need to increase your memory clock, and the core clock is about 1680 and co-offset may be the same, and this is the power limit, but I prefer to choose as a 150 and apply on changes and update your flight sheet as a LOL Miner. Then you get the same hash rate on the LOL Miner and also the Rigel Miner. So this is done. Now let's see that what is the hash rate on the actual that I set as a Cursen and the Hypra as a dual coin overclock setting is on the Hypra and the Radian overclock setting. So this is the live update that my 3060 V1 card is now mining Hypra and the Radian as a dual coin mining Hypra using the custom pool as a Viper.net, and the Radian is choose the Rplan server pool as a auto server pool. And here is the hash rate that you can see that my 3060 V1 card is get around 44.59 mega hash for the Hypra, and for the Radian it's about 379 mega hash, and the total power consumption is take around 136 watt for my 3060 card. And on the auto fan speed option I don't set any auto fan speed option, and on the overclock setting I applied the fan speed option direct on there because I'm not choosing the auto fan speed option. Otherwise I set all the related settings in my flight sheet that here you can see that the algorithm and the stratum ID and the wallet address and the extra config argument, all the related things in here. So this is the overall settings and the overall update in here that my 3060 V1 card is now mining Radian and the Hypra. So this is for the Hypra, and the before is the SHA-512 256D is for the Radian, and this is the overall update in here that you can see. So this is the actual thing that what I'm saying, that if you are choosing the Rigel Miner you can get the same hash rate on the Radian. It's about 428 to 27 mega hash per second, and for the Hypra you can get the better hash rate than the hashrate.net is recommended, that here you can see it's about 42.82 mega hash per second. But on there here you can see that I got on the LOL miner and also the Rigel miner I get the better hash rate on the Hypra. It's about 44.59 to 45 mega hash. But if you are choosing the Rigel miner on this same overclock setting, then you get the same hash rate on the Radian. But if you are choosing the LOL miner on the Cursen and the Hypra overclock setting, you get the it's about 379 the lower hash rate on the Radian. Otherwise you can get the same hash rate on the Hypra as a 44.59 that you can see in this live update. So this is the overall thing, and if you are choosing the trade org for the Radian, the price is right now is continuously going, it's our 7.9%, 95% down, and for the Hypra it's about 7.58% down on the 24 hours. And by the way, you can choose some other exchanges in here that you can see that for the Radian is available as a CoinX, ZigX, FinanceX, non-KYC and the trade org, but I prefer to choose as a trade org or maybe in the ZigX. And for the Hypra I am choosing again the ZigX because this is going to be the best, but you can get it also in the non-KYC and the trade org. So this is going to be the best, and I also recommended to choose Hypra for the trading purpose as a ZigX. So now I share all the related documents and the overall things and the live updates. So let me know that what did you think about this dual coin mining as a Radian and the Hypra. So I just wrap up, and this is the end of this video, and here we can see it's about this is run on the proof of work SHA-512 256D algorithm, and this is designed to embrace GPU, FPGA and the ASICs while being more efficient than the Bitcoin. So proof of work is the only conscious system for the maximum security that embraces full decentralization so that no miner can stake to decentralize the network. The FIPS SHA-512 256 standard is up to 50% more efficient than the SHA-256 on the 64-bit architecture. So proof of work is a highly green technology when weighed against the wasteful legacy system it replaces. So this is the roadmap and some other things. So this is the end of this video, and I just wrap up. So what did you think about? So let me know in the comment section, and this is the overall things in here. And if you think that this video is going to be helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel, and there is a lots of videos available on there. So choose any of these, which one you like and which one you prefer. So if you think also this video is going to be helpful for you, like this video and share your opinion on this video. And if you are the new one, please subscribe to my channel to motivate myself. And there is the done all the related things, and this is the Radian, that how to mine Radian as a single coin mining, which is going to be the 1 year is going down, and is done. I hope this will be helpful for you. So have a great day. I will see you in the next one.